Jack wants to make proper videos for YouTube. No mask. We're today trying to get, what trying to get?
Spurdog, Mackerel, and Pollock, and everything right there.
Yeah, doggy and stuff.
Yeah.
Using spinning around, using wheat wire bite ends. 6 hooks. Other rigs, pretty simple. Mackerel baits, bairn baits, squid baits. Here.
Yeah.
Here it goes.
Hoping to catch one. And yeah. Caught a spur earlier. That was the third one. Hoping to catch another one. I think we've got one on now. I videoed it saying that.
Decent sized pulley rigs, pre-soaked mackerel fillets and woolly mackerel bluey blood. Cast them out here so you can get some spurs and stuff. I've one already on the blood, so seems to be working. So how do you hold a Spurdog?
Like this.
So you're supporting his belly, aren't you?
Yes.
Hold his nose up.
You're on the tail.
So, I'm not going to bother weighing it. We'll get a bigger one, yeah? Happy? One, but that bait was in the water about 5 minutes flat. At that point, the fishing one rod almost. It was too yeah, well until mackerel bait soaked in that full of mackerel oil. So, some of them wrapped with a bit of squid on top of them and that, but it's all fish baits. Yeah, 6.0 Pollock and all, uptight surf extra. Yeah, sorry, spaceman extra. Yeah, good. Highland. There you go. Bit of weed dripping it now at that tide, but loads of these come up at the time, little dabs and stuff. Little bits of black lug and stuff, so yeah, pace the times, but better get sport too.